Okay, I'm going to show everybody how to make a pretty mean microwave burrito. And what you're going to need is some bullseye, some of course tapatio, some sour cream, some cheese, some slices of cheese, a bowl, and then a plate with a burrito. And for all extensive purposes, you're going to need a fork. Okay, the first step is putting the burrito on the plate as so. You want to make sure that the burrito is this side facing up, because if it's flipped this way, it might not cook. Like you might have to poke holes. If it's this side up, when it gets heated up, it's actually going to open up and you're going to be able to, it's going to cook the inside a lot better. Okay, the burrito's in the microwave. I'm going to set it for about 2 minutes and we will let it cook. About 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, the burrito is just finished cooking, and as you can see, it kind of opened up, and it got, as long as there's like holes and it opens up a little bit, it's gonna cook the inside a lot better, and you won't have one of those burritos with the cold inside that you're forced to eat or too lazy to put back in the microwave. So right there is almost a perfect burrito. I probably put it in a little too long, but looks perfect to me. And now what you want to do is put some cheese on. Once you put some cheese on like so, you can put it back in the microwave for about 10 seconds to get it all melted if you like melted cheese. Here goes the burrito for about 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I'm going to cook it. And as you can see, the cheese is melting. What you're going to do is take some bullseye and some tapatio and mix it together in a bowl. And you're going to mix it around like so. And that looks good. The next step is put it in on your burrito. So I like putting it off to the side. I like dipping it. But you can put it like on top of your burrito. The last and final step is getting some sour cream on your burrito. Okay, and this is your finished product. And it depends on the user how much sour cream you want, but I recommend using a fork and slicing into that.